Hello YouTube community, this is VIP Nobody coming at you from the sunny climes of Jamaica, your fixed income PC builder. I'm doing something a little different today between builds. I'll be doing some software, not education. I don't want to be an educator, just sharing I guess, on how I change my start sounds in Linux Mint. I'm not sure that it'll work in the rest of them. I know it doesn't work in the Mac Ubuntu KDE. I can't find the sound files in that mess, but here we go. First thing you want to do, the song that I've chosen to be able to turn into a start sound is from the Wallflowers, One Headlight, the beginning of the song. You copy the URL, you set your video downloader to audio, paste it in there, click, and it's downloading. I use Audacity to edit my music or sound, start sounds. Here we go. Open download location. There we are. Open Audacity. Put the song on there. Drag and drop. How hard is that? I mean, this is Linux, right? It's hard, huh? Yeah. Let's here's the first 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and cut. Find the scissors now. Can somebody find the scissors for me? Cut. Okay, let's get the view going. Let's zoom to selection. Well, we got to select something first, right? Yes. So let's select it. View, zoom to selection, and let's get to the front end of this thing. Let's hit play. How loud is it going to be? That's pretty loud. Let's go ahead and turn that down some. We don't want to blast everybody out when we're starting our computer. We don't want the windows to go away or anything like that. All the way back to the beginning. Start. If you look at the meter up here, you really don't want it in the red. This is going to be pretty loud. Okay, so we want to cut it off before 30 seconds before he starts singing. I think everybody will recognize that song from there, so we could take it at 30. Cut, boom. Let's go ahead and zoom. Let's go ahead and zoom in some more. There's a piece at the beginning that doesn't have any sound at all. Let's go ahead and cut that. Whoop, copy, cut. And let's do a selection at the end of it. Just a few seconds. Hit the effects, fading, fade out. Okay, let's see, start at the beginning, give it a play. Still a little loud. That's not too bad. There we go. Just barely started to sing. That's okay. That'll do good enough. File, export. Now there'll be 3 different types of files that we will need. One is an OGG, one is an OGA. And this will allow you to change that. And we want to save it to the desktop. I just use the defaults. Here's our OGA. Let's do another file, export, OGG. The desktop still set? Yes, okay. And then finally a wave. Alright, now we've got all three of those. Don't want to save the project, take up too much space on the hard drive. Song's a cool song. We can close all these out. Now here's the three places that we want to go into to change the start sounds. And we want to go into, let's see, view, show the hidden files. Boom. And we want to go into the file system. Yes. And in the file system, now we can watch. We can look at the places here. We'll put this up here to the, we'll put this over here. First place is user. So you got a user. You want to do this as root. Open as root. It's going to ask you for your super secret password. Okay, minimize this one now. We're in as root. We can change anything we want. And after we go to user, or in user, it says right up here, we want to go to share. Double click. Then we want to go to sounds. It's going to have to scroll down. This is in alphabetical order, like it should be. It's nothing hard. This is easy, folks. This is easy. Just stick with me. LMLP, QR, QR. Hey, sounds. We're in S. Seahorse, sounds, sounds. Ooh, here we are. Now that we're in sounds, look for Linux Mint. There's a Linux Mint file. Double click. Next one is stereo. So double click on stereo. It says desktop login OGG. Desktop login OGG. Now we go to our OGG file. That's the OGA. This is the OGG. We want to change the name of this. We'll do it simply. Desktop login OGG. Click on rename. Don't rename it. Right click it again. Copy. Click down here so it stays the same. Go over here to this OGG. Say rename. And then paste. Boom. Now it's got the right name. Drag it in here. It's going to say replace. Replace. Ta-da! That's one down. We've got two more to go. And luckily the second one is very close by. We already went past it. User share sounds Linux Mint login wave. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. See, Linux Mint login wave. We're going to once again rename, click, copy, click down here so it stays the same. Look for the wave file over here. Here's a wave file. Click on him, right click on him, click, choose rename, and click inside there, right click inside there, and click paste. Boom! Linux Mint wave. Now click and drag him over there. Drag and drop, replace. Ta-da! That's twice. Okay, now we're going to go back. Next one, show you an easier way to be able to navigate rather than clicking up all the time like that. Linux, it's a user, share, mint, artwork, sounds. So we're going to go to share. Ta-da! How about that? Wasn't that simple? Now we're going to find mint artwork. So we're going to go into the M's. We're down at S, so we're going to go back up. If you can do your alphabet backwards, LMNOP. Mint. M-I. Mint. Artwork is, art is an A, so we're going to go mint. Artwork. Ta-da! There it is. Let's double click on him, open it up. It's just like any other operating system. Double click, right click. Come on, guys. This stuff is easy. Okay, once you're in Linux, user, share, mint, artwork, sounds. Ta-da! There it is. Open that puppy up and log in OGA. Where's the login OGA? What do you know? Right there. Right click on him, rename, right click again, copy, click anywhere off of it so it stays where it is, just exactly like it is. Find your OGA file now. Ooh, there's the OGA file. Right click on him, rename, right click inside there again, paste. It's a login OGA. Click off of it, drag it over there, drop it in there, hit replace, and you're done. Now, it'd be nice if we could just play the login sound, but that would cause me to have to log out and back in again and start Kazam, and it'd be too late for that. So that's as easy as it gets. Easy peasy. 3 places. Next time this starts up, it'll be playing that Wallflower song. I don't know, maybe, I don't think Kazam will stay on for it, but I don't know how to pause the start process. But the only way that you're going to be able to hear it is what? Double click on it. It's not a bad volume. This is VIP Nobody coming to you from the climes of sunny Jamaica. Yeah, man. Your fixed income PC builder.